I'm good. Both. Hi Facebook, hi Instagram, hello TikTok. I am so excited. I get to see all of you. So any question, any comments, any input, feel free to let me know. So sorry I couldn't send. If anyone are tuning in on Facebook or Instagram, could you just do me a favor? Press the button to share, because I think somehow we have different device that we couldn't even share to everyone. So I would do like about 60% or 50%. Hey Dom, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in, Dom. I was like, we have few different devices on it, so that we couldn't share it right away for TikToks and Instagram. Right there. I think you can leave it up just a little bit for this one, because then that way TikTok you can see that. All right, so seeing it already. Thank you, Dom. So I am gonna do submerging the brush into light nude number 19. And just pick a smaller beads. We are going to do it right place, right above of the yellow sand. And the purpose of doing 2 beads is to have ability of blending ombre and doing a cuticles easier, so you won't have to feel like you have to work on cuticles area and then ombre at the same time. All right, so now the second beads, we are gonna be picking the same size as the second beads, and we are going to place that closer to the cuticles. Let me get it. It's just we're getting adjusting with this because it's just too closer to my face. It's okay, it's good. And then we're using a belly of the bristle and blend that. All right. Hello everyone. Hi Facebook, hi Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am so excited to get to share with all of you in a different platform. Yes, much better. All right, perfect. Sorry, we're just adjusting it. Now I can see a little bit better. So you can always edit more to touch up if you needed it. It's need to be focused right there. Perfect. Okay, good. All right, if you're happy with this, you don't want any glitter on, you definitely can using your crystal clear. Just need to touch just a little bit in. And you can use crystal clears and cap, or you can add some glitter on, which is I have some super cute glitters I really want to add it on, or you can leave it alone and top and cap it with the crystal clears. But I have a little super cute glitter on over there. Talk to people. Oh, you're too busy to get in. All right, so I got some super cute glitter. I just want to add just a little bit. So this is the cute special mix that I mix all different, like I think from a treasure box. Easter treasure box, and then some of the newest 3rd anniversary glitter. But you don't have to. I just want to add just a couple on. Let's see how it is. You can leave it alone if you want to. Move on the sides, and then we're all going to pick up crystal clear to encap. So important, if you are cap, and make sure you cap it right here where is your pinks and your yellows, which is the ombre part. So you don't want to accidentally doing when you're filing. It's gonna take away from your ombre. So pick up the about medium beads of liquid powder and using the belly of your bristles, and now you are going to start blend it. Oh, thank you so much, everyone. Hello, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok viewer, and also for YouTube viewer as well. Happy Monday. So I'm going to using a belly of the bristle, blend that crystal clear down. And for a lot of us who is just start working with liquid powder, you can definitely pick up smaller beads and tuck it in closer to the cuticles, okay? And blend it out just in case you are working and filing, you are fed up, you might be heavy-handed and take off all of the cuticles area or a lot, which is that could happen. So happy with this. We are going to cure for is let it set. I mean, like, why so cute?